Morning everyone. I hope everyone is doing well this morning. I woke up a little bit later. You can tell from the mess of my hair. I've been a hairdresser for 10 years and never in my life did I think I was gonna make a how-to video on touching up your own roots. And there are many reasons that I wouldn't think I would do this. Number one being, it's almost impossible to get the same amount of coverage doing it yourself than going to your hairdresser. And over a long period of time, this can cause banding or spots because the color isn't distributed evenly. I have actually been formulating my clients' hair color for them and sending them a kit with everything I'm gonna be using today just to make it a lot easier. Because I started thinking, worst case scenario, they would order some box color from Walmart or something like that and ruin their hair color. Because if anyone knows anything about box color, it has very harsh chemicals in it. And so you can permanently stain your cuticle and it can be almost impossible to correct or take a very long time and be very expensive. All the color I use is ammonia free, it's natural. There's no harsh chemicals. So if you need your roots covered, if you need to cover gray, this kit is for you. So I am gonna do a demonstration of how to apply your root color. I'm gonna use a bowl. I'm gonna use a pair of gloves, 4 clips, and a color brush. Coloring your hair, you definitely need to use a shirt that you don't mind getting messed up. I don't actually use one process color on my hair. This is my natural. I just have some highlights through the ends. But for the sake of the demonstration, I'm just gonna use a toner and apply it as if I would apply one process color, because a toner is semi-permanent. Sending a couple of people toner kits for blondes that want to tone their hair more ashy or more gold. With demi-permanent colors, they typically fade out in about 8 weeks. So that's another alternative. If you just want to tone your hair, you could order a kit for that. Only thing, I'm not sending out would be bleach, because none of us need to go there, not even me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is brush out my hair because it's a rat's nest. Now that it looks like I stuck my finger in an outlet, I'm gonna section my hair into 4 quadrants. So I'm gonna go down the middle, all the way to the back. So I have my gloves. I'm gonna mix my color. So for a root touch-up, you're really only gonna try to focus on the first inch or 2 of your roots. You don't wanna put this color on the ends, so try and be careful about that. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the hairline just to get it done. covering gray, a lot of times this area is the most porous, so it's the hardest to cover. So I'm gonna start with the front and then move to the back. I like to section from the bottom. So you're gonna take thin sections. You wanna be able to see through the sections. So I would say like 1/2 inch-ish. Pretty thin section here. Hold the top up and just touch up the root there. And then you're gonna continue that all the way up. Section is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip it back up to get it out of the way. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Do the back sections, and I'm just gonna try to do the best I can. Try not to stress out about it too much. Okay, so now that I've gotten my color on, I'm gonna process for 15 minutes. I'm just doing a demi-permanent color to show you guys how to apply. If you're trying to cover gray, you most likely are gonna process for up to 40 minutes. Also, if you don't want a color cap, you can go ahead and wipe around your hairline just with a rag and some shampoo so this doesn't stain. I'm gonna let my color process and I'll be back. This is ideal for people covering their roots. This is not for bleaching. I definitely would not recommend bleaching your hair at home. There's just too many horror stories. I've had to fix too many people's hair from them trying to bleach it at home. So be safe, be patient if you're blonde. You will get back to your hairdresser. It's not worth burning your hair off. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm probably gonna do another tutorial video tomorrow because I have nothing to do. Anybody has recommendations for looks they wanna see or styling, let me know and I'll make a video. See you next time.